Video we are going to generate and import the data blocks for our station. So first thing we had to do is to rename all DBs we can see in our program which have relation to X. For instance, apt X01 has to be changed to apt 101 and RBH X03 has to be modified to RBH 300 and so on. So we have done this for all DBs on the program, and the program should be ready for import. So we are in our project sources sheet and we have our generation lists. In these generation lists we have a full part of the generation lists for the data blocks. So we can select the whole section, as you can see here, and we can run the macro sg generate from selection. So macro has been running and it has generated all these new sheets for our station. Next thing to do is to generate the source codes from all these new sheets. For this we need to run 2 macros per sheet. First macro is this concatenate sheet from AF to G, which generates this column G with a code, and after this we run a macro called save column to file. So this macro will save this column to this file, which has got the sheet name and the column 7.txt. We just save this file without changing the name, and we're going to do this for the rest of the new sheets. Okay, we are done doing this. Now we can see that in our master software save directory we've got these new files which we are going to copy to our station directory, software save. Okay, so we have all the files which we can't delete, and now we have to rename these files with a db extension. So we have renamed these files with the db extension. Now we can go to our program and select the part for external sources. There we go. So I say add new external file, and we select the files we just generated. It's been appended here. So these files are ready to import. We only need to right click and say generate blocks from source, and it's going to generate the different data blocks. You can see here how it's generating. So we continue with the generation, continue generating, and we continue generating. So after the generation we can check that the data blocks have been properly generated. Just like here we see the new comments.